read a book today. It made me think of a life I led. It seemed so far away, but then I wouldn't call it dead. I see a name or two, and the ghosts just start to roll. I had them locked away. It seems they've cut their own parole. Now face the music, son.
Whoa, shit.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
We're fucking bombing it. Holy fuck.
So what would Modoc do if his memory got
Oh my god.
he'd find the power source.
Did you fucking see that? I fucking caught that too. Holy shit.
I looked in the mirror.
They were fucking sitting up the airport.
Somebody blew up.
That was
I
fucked.
turned on my TV and somebody blew up. I learned how to lie well and somebody blew up.
Yeah, that was a fucking
I
attack.
learned how to live true.
Because they hit it straight for it.
Somebody blew up.
But that wasn't a plane.
It's like a rocket or something.
It was?
Yeah, it was fucking fast. Can't fucking believe it. It didn't go all the way in, that one. It fucking zinged it.
My brain was still today, just taking a little death.
Keep an eye
Just
on
like
this
the
guy,
doctor
dude.
said, I never get that kind of rest. The movie's on again. They got me nullifying ghosts. A better dead than red. I guess I'll never get off the boat.
You could fucking tell Leonard right.
I looked in the mirror and somebody blew up. I turned on my TV and somebody blew up. I learned how to lie well and somebody blew up. I learned how to live true and somebody blew up.
They just fucking hit it again.
This is as close as we can get to the base of the World Trade Center. You can see the firemen assembled here, the police officers, FBI agents, and you can see the two towers. A huge explosion now raining debris on all of us. We better get out of the way.
Sleep and sleep again. Might as well stay in. Another happy day. A funeral in Berlin. What can I do with you? Your layers and your doors. Pathetic little hypocrite. You're calling me a whore. And every drop of red just turns our gold to rust. All you do is take away the only thing I love. You don't have to dig for motives. You're just too easy to read. Rip the wound a little wider so only dirt can get in.
I hope I live. I hope I live. It's coming down on me.
It's forcing tumors down my throat. It's tucking me in bed. And all your hopes and dreams mean nothing to me now. It's absolute absolute apocalypse, you stupid fucking cow. And as you drop the fire, and as you burn the hire, I'm standing on ground zero, baby, hollow but alive. I knew you chicken, baby, you're just too easy to read.
That's all he does.
Go and cut the vessel, there's nothing left in me to read. It's Tuesday, it's Tuesday. 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 It's Tuesday, it's Tuesday.
Made it outside. We made it about a block.
We made it at least 2 blocks, and we started running. Floor by floor, it started popping out.
It was like, it was if they had detonated.
Yeah,
as if they were
detonated,
planned to
yeah.
take down a building. Boom, 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 boom.
All the way down. I was watching it and running.
Just ran up West
And then you just sort of this cloud of shit chasing you down.
Couldn't
Just
outrun
ran
it.
up West Street.
I couldn't outrun it.
So what'd you do?
I jumped behind a battalion car, I hit under the car, I was waiting to die.
The chief of safety of the fire department of New York City told me he received word of the possibility of a secondary device, that is another bomb going off. He tried to get his men out as quickly as he could, but he said that there was another explosion which took place. And according to his theory, he thinks that there were actually devices that were planted in the building.
At 10:30, I tried to leave the building, but as soon as I got outside, I heard a second explosion and another rumble and more smoke and more dust. I ran inside the buildings, the chandelier shook, and again, black smoke filled the air. Within another 5 minutes, we were covered again with more silt and more dust. And then a fire marshal came in and said we had to leave because if there was a third explosion, this building might not last. The streets of the financial district covered with debris, in some cases ankle deep. Cars on fire, cars just turned by the force of the explosions. It was like something no one had ever seen.
I was about 5 blocks away when I heard explosions, 3 thuds, and turned around to see the building we just got out of, antenna tip over and fall in on itself.
And then all of a sudden it started like it sounded like gunfire, you know, bang, 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 and then all of a sudden 3 big explosions.
New York's bravest never had a chance.
We really never even got to that close to the building. An explosion blew and it knocked everybody over.
The light.
One of the fire department teams found them, but we didn't think they were going to make it.
Well, certainly you got out.
Well, me and Mr. Hesh, the corporation counsel, were on the 23rd floor. I told him we got to get out of here. We started walking down the stairs. We made it to the 8th floor. Big explosion. Blew us back into the 8th floor. And I turned to Hesh. I said, "This is it. We're dead. We're not going to make it out of here." I took a fire extinguisher and I bust the window out. That's when this gentleman here heard my cries for help. This gentleman right here, and he kept saying, "Stand by. Somebody's coming to get you." They couldn't get to us for an hour because they couldn't find us.